Quick job of the day. We're doing a new plug on the front of this boat trailer. I'm just cutting it and wiring it up. I got all the butt connectors roughed in. I'm gonna check lights, make sure they all work. Grab my remote. What do I got on my tester box? Good. Brake lights, everything else is good. Reverse is not blinking because I have reverse on this actually. No brakes for this trailer because it's hydraulic, and no 12-volt power because it's hydraulic. Tail tag, good. Passenger side, front and rear fender, good. Good rears, good rears. Good three ways on there. Let's do right turn. Come on, box. We got good right turn. We got good left turn. And back to marker lights. Good driver side, rear fender. What about this? Did the plug come out? Light work? Oh, it looks like the light is burnt. I think the light's burnt on this one. I'm gonna check and see if I have good power here. And front driver side works now. Had a pinch in the wire, so I just cut it. Put a new butt connector on there. I'm gonna shrink wrap butt connector, but all lights work now. And wiring's all cleaned up, zip tied. I shrunk up all the butt connectors and wrapped up the wires that were exposed in electrical tape, and everything's zip tied. I did finish, I put that light on the front for him, or finish the fender on the driver's side front. It had a pinched wire, so I fixed it, and now it all works. He's good to go. I'm on to the next.